Hello, beautiful humans. Let's talk about maneuvering through chaos with a slow and simple life. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept up in the chaos and turmoil of our daily lives. Whether it's work-related stress, family responsibilities, or personal issues, we're constantly bombarded with demands that can leave us feeling more overwhelmed and disconnected from ourselves. But what if there is a way to navigate the chaos with grace and ease? What if we could slow down, simplify our lives, and find a sense of peace and tranquility amidst the chaos? Enter the slow and simple life. The slow and simple life is a lifestyle choice that emphasizes a slower, more deliberate approach to living. It's about focusing on what really matters and letting go of excess and clutter that can bog us down. And by embracing a slow and simple life, we can learn to maneuver through the chaos theory of our lives with greater ease and resilience. And how exactly do we embrace a slow and simple life that helps us navigate the chaos? Well, let's talk about a few key ways. But first, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel, like and share, so that others may be able to find information like this. Okay, let's get to it. When we're constantly rushing around, it can be hard to know what's truly important. We can get so caught up in the day-to-day hustle and bustle that we lose sight of our long-term goals and values. By slowing down and simplifying our lives, we can get a clearer sense of what really matters to us. We can prioritize our time and energy accordingly. And we can focus on the things that bring us joy and fulfillment. Living in a constant state of chaos can be incredibly stressful. But when we embrace a slower, simpler pace of life, we can reduce our stress levels and feel more grounded and centered. By taking time to slow down and engage in self-care practices like meditation, yoga, and spending time in nature, we can cultivate a greater sense of calm and inner peace. Life is unpredictable, and we're bound to face challenges and setbacks along the way. But when we live a slow and simple life, we build resilience that helps us weather the storms of life with greater ease. By practicing mindfulness, self-reflection, and gratitude, we can cultivate a sense of inner strength and resilience that helps us bounce back from adversity. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the past or future. We may dwell on past mistakes or worry about what's to come. But when we live a slow and simple life, we learn to be present in the moment. We savor each experience and cultivate a sense of mindfulness and gratitude for the present moment. This helps us feel more connected to ourselves and the world around us. Embracing a slow and simple life helps us build deeper, more meaningful connections with others. When we're not constantly rushing around, we have more time and energy to invest in our relationships. We can cultivate deeper connections with our loved ones, our communities, and even ourselves. Embracing a slow and simple life can be incredibly beneficial for navigating the chaos theory of our lives. By prioritizing what's important, reducing stress, fostering resilience, promoting mindfulness and presence, and fostering a deeper connection, we can build a life that's more meaningful, fulfilling, and joyful. And until next time, be kind to yourself.